Right, guys. This is just an add-on to the other video. Just let me get back to it and show you this video here, range and reversal strategy. This 3-0 system that I've been working on. When I make videos, I always miss things, and I thought, right, okay, I'll have to add this because it's quite important. Okay, so basically this is going to be range of reversal strategy part 2. It's basically an add-on for this particular video here. So watch this and watch the current video I'm making now. Okay, so a few things to go through just to highlight what I'm talking about here, and basically when to look for the 2-1 reversal, right? And what you should do is look for blues plus a 2-1. This is what I was kind of saying to MT yesterday when he was saying, well, we're talking about the reversal side of it. Blues, you know what blues are. Blues are reversal signals, guys. Okay, so that's the way you should use them. Instead of just thinking, oh, it's a 2-1 down with no blues, forget it. There's only one other signal that I pay attention to if something doesn't have a blue, and that's the red yellows. All right, because they are obviously the strongest signal we have. The red yellow is basically a pink, the small red arrow, and the yellow. All right, that's all three together, as you can see there. That's one there. That's a pink and a red. That's a pink, a red, and a yellow. Okay, it just means everything's going at once. That's why they're so powerful. Okay, so just to highlight what I mean, if you get blues, like we've got blues on these jappies here now. Okay, 15s as well. Yeah. If you think this is going to reverse, wait for a 2-1 down. Okay, at the moment there's still 3-0s up, but yes, you're right. It does have a strongish chain. I should say it's not super, but strongish. All right, wait for a 2-1. Okay, or don't trade it. Look elsewhere. Look elsewhere. Look for a 3-0 elsewhere. Okay, because the 3-0s are great. All right. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on these two jappies here. All right. Again, the 3-0s. If you look at the 3-0s, guys, superb. Look at it. In fact, let's just go back and look at this GU here. Right. 1-0, 2-0. It was a 2-1 because that line would have changed after. The 5-minute line would have changed after that move. So it was a 2-1 down. Okay. And this is not a strong run. This is that news has done this, right? But this is not, a strong run or a strong trend. Okay. So basically, you could have said, okay, then I can take that. All right. Or you could have left it alone. It's entirely up to you. Again, 1, 2-0. Yep. 3-0 there. All right. Okay. Let's crack on. Just keep showing you these and try and get to a point where the blues really come into their own. Okay, let's have a look at this here. Right, just pausing it there a moment. Jab it, yep, bounce, bounce. What have we got? 1-0. This line's probably going to change. Keep an eye on this line now here because the blues are in play. Okay, we get a 2-1. We'll see. Yeah, we got a 2-1. What? 1, 2, 2-1. We have blues. Ooh, red yellows as well. There you go. That's how to look for a reversal. For a 2-1 reversal. I think these might have caught Sarge out the other day. He seems to have got it in order yesterday though. And again, let's have a look at somebody who was 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, bam. Okay, GU 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 5-minute orange line, HAB, bang. Okay. UJ, right, there's the difference, guys. You had a 2-1 down, right? 2-1 down on the GJ with blues, right? UJ, you've got blues, yeah? You didn't have a 2-1 down. You had a 3-0 up, right? So I'm not saying that you have to trade this up here. What I'm saying is, right, because you didn't have a 2-1 down, you don't trade it down. Okay, whereas if you'd have looked at the 2 there, you're thinking reversal, that was your trade. Okay, but again, you know, if you've got a situation where you've got and ahhing about these two, then the GU 3-0 was the one you should have taken. Okay. Right, let's just quickly flash through. You've got another one here, 1, 2. Line's just about changing here, so again, you know, you're looking at a 3-0 now. Same there. And again, here, look, you still had the blues here, but you didn't have a 2-1 down. Okay, it was still a 3-0 up. So this is off the table. You shouldn't be risking that, guys. Leave it alone. Right, that's the one you should have taken there. If you wanted to take a 2-1. Okay, dead simple thing to do, guys. If blues are involved and you're unsure about the reversal, make sure you've got a 2-1 in your favour. Okay, that's it. That's it, Sarge. Hands. Alright, just don't reverse until you've got a 2-1 in your favour. If there's a choice, again, go with the 3-0s, but again, you know the GU there. And this is the kind of thing I was telling V-Boy, you know, V-Boy, just ride it till another signal. That might be your exit there, V-Boy. You know, and you'll catch some of these V-Boy and they'll be like 30, 40, 50 pips. You know, alright, you're in a trade for a long time, but, you know, you'll make a lot of money. You've got it here now. Okay, that might not have won, but again, 1, 2, 3-0 down now. Okay, it's still got blues, look guys, and it still hasn't given you a 2-1 down, right? So even if you're not trading it up because of the blues, right, you're not trading it down because you haven't got a 2-1 down, so you've not lost anything. You understand? Okay, one quick flash on because I don't want to make a mega video again. Oof, look at GU again there. Bang, 3-0. UCAD 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. Even with the blues. You understand, guys? It's that simple. You know, if blues are involved and you're thinking it might reverse, just wait for a 2-1. Once moves get going like this, okay, you know, they're very hard to stop. Okay, and if you think like that and you think to yourself, well, you know, I need a 2-1 at least, then it'll keep you out of reversals. Okay, so anyway, let's move on. Just a quick couple of other vids, guys. Going back a bit here. March. Where are we? Hey? Oh, that's me. Come on. Get it together, Chaz. March the 20th. Okay. Right, so again, these just a few things I want to highlight to you. I get back to around about the time. Right, we'll pause here. Look at all these 3-0s that have been going on today, guys. No blues. No blues, so it's just 3-0s galore. Bang, 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 bang. You'd have had a field day. Okay, we've got blues here. Right, but just this period here, Sarge, for you and Hans and Rocky in particular, right? Because you'd have seen a 1 hour blue, you'd have seen 15 blues, you'd have been thinking up, right? You never got a 2-1 Sarge there, so it kept you out of that. You never had a 2-1 here, Sarge, so it kept you out of that. Okay, so even the fact that you missed a couple of nice trades down there with the 3-0s, you never got 2-1s up, so you weren't trading against it. Okay, and again, Sarge, if you've got a choice between going with the flow 3-0, okay, go with the flow 3-0. Look at the GU, no blues. No blues. 3-0. 3-0. Okay. Blues, no 2-1s. No 2-1s with the blues. So bang, bang. Okay. Right. Right. Where are we now? I've just marked down the times, guys, because I don't, as I say, I don't want it to be a long video. It's just an add-on to the other one, right? So we're looking at GU 2-1, right? With sorry, yeah, GU 2-1 with what are they called? Red yellows. Okay. Where is it? GU, right? It's not my usual way of doing things, this, guys. Was it this one? Yeah, it was. Right, so this is it here. Right. You can't see that. That was red yellow. Right. This is a red yellow. Right, so it's already got going. It's had to bounce off the 15-minute orange line there. 1-0, 2-0, 2-1 signals. Alright, again, you know, you could just say to yourself, well, I'll go with the 3-0s, but I'm just highlighting the fact, you know, red, yellows, blues, because you will get days when it's a bit messy and not running like this. Alright, when you do, this will be how you should trade it. Okay, so just watch GU, guys. There, you know, 2-1 with the red, yellows. Okay, and that's kind of what I'm saying here. Right, we're going to look at this UCAD as well, because again, this one, again, Sarge, this is what I'm talking about. And this, I'm only doing this, saying this, Sarge, because if you get this right, you'll never lose a day again, ever. All right, because of the way you trade. So you'd have been trying to take these up here, Sarge, right? But not once during that period did you have a 2-1 to go with the 1 hour blue. Not once. Okay, during this period here. So it would have kept you out of it, Sarge. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Alright, mate. We'll flick on. Right, it's above there. So you would have won that one. Another one here. Oh, no. No, it's changed again now. 2-1 up. So it's off the table. Or you take it up. Take it up. Right. Again, if you've got options, look elsewhere. Alright. So again, just quickly flicking through. Even this one here, look, it was a 1-1, 2-1 down. That one there, as soon as it went back to 2-1 up, boom. Okay, but again, if you had options, taking 2-1s or 3-0s, like these here, take the 3-0s. Bang. Bang. Okay, and again, no blues on the UJ. Yeah, okay, you can say GJ had some movement down, but you never got the 2-1 down. Okay, right, quickly. And then I think, you know, when, you know, it gets going again. I mean, once you start, it starts running again, guys, at a turning point. They're just 3-0s all day long. Okay, at this point here, did you have? No, I don't think you did on that trade. But again, you had a 3-0 here. Bang. Okay. What's this? 2-1. This one, 1-1, 2-1. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm struggling a bit this time, but you won your GU. This one's now 3-0 up. Okay, so that's all it is, guys. All I'm saying is with the blues, you know, if you get blues, just don't reverse with the blue unless you've got a 2-1, and it will keep you out of trades. Honestly, you know, you might miss out on a few trades going with the flow, but you won't have lost a couple of trades. And I think this really will help Sarge, you know, because sometimes Sarge, when he gets it in his head that he's gonna reverse, you know, he just continues to try to reverse. And as I say, Sarge, if you say to yourself, nope, it's got to be a 2-1, then it's going to keep you out of them. Right, just one more. Again, guys, I don't want to make this a long video. I'm just trying to highlight the need to use the blues with a 2-1. Okay. Right, so this first one is around about now. Okay, you can see it's happened. Right, you had a blue here. This is range. Right, look, guys, I'll pause there. When you see these three pairs, right, correlating like this, the USD pairs, right, you know, down, down, up like that, it's a dollar day. The dollar is, you know, moving the markets. Okay, so generally what happens is this pair will range. Okay, and look, you can see here, this period here, it took ages to snap out of that period there, but again, you had a blue, right? So the first trade you should have been thinking to take up here was this one. Okay, because 1, 2, 2, 1 with a blue. Okay, and again, look at the GU, no blues, and look at this, guys. 3 nils, 3 nils, 3 nils, 3 nils, 3 nils. Same with this. 3 nil, 3 nil, 3 nil. You know, I think the 3 nils anyway. They look like 3 nils. And here, 3 nils, 3 nils, 3 nils. Even these now, still 3 nils. Okay, so that kind of shows you on that. You know, and again, you just go with the flow. 3 nils when they're really strong like this. All right, and again, what have you got here now? 1, 2, possible 3 nil. 1 hour orange line. No, this is one of them where I'm like, could go either way. You know. And it did. It went up and then come down. So you might have won the up with a 3 nil. And it's gone down again. But here again, you know, you had a dead cert 3 nil down here with the flow. Go with it. Right, so guys, that is it. That's just an add-on how to look for the reversal, basically. You know, how to use the 2-1s at a reversal, I should say. Just make sure the blues are there. Don't reverse with the blues unless you get a 2-1. Okay, I think that will be okay this time.